out here today. Got Barbie burning them down over here. Not too bad. She got it happening here. Got Noah over here.
We're welding on the I-beams and we only have one left, guys. And then we get to set them. I'm really nervous about that, but Blake has some method that he's gonna do and he's not nervous, so I'm not nervous either, I guess. I just need y'all to see how good this weld is I just did. Ooh!
What time?
What do you think, Blake?
Girlfriend coming.
Are you hot enough yet?
Yeah. That was a 3/16 web.
Was it?
I don't know.
Was it beautiful?
3/16 web, huh?
We got Fro and Big Blue over here dismantling the overhang while we finished up the trusses. What do you think, Fro?
Yeah.
Are you hot?
Soonest by day, whatever's on Saturday.
Whatever on Saturday.
Throw on the hot stick. Or the torches.
Oh,
Yeah, you
thanks.
might want to roll the torches back.
That would be bad. Walking into the store and just had a guy in a Trump hat look at us like we were crazy and really disappointed in us because we look like lesbians today. I mean, I guess she always looks like a lesbian, but you know. Oh God.
Come down slowly. It's alright, we'll get it in a minute, Dad. Let's get it in the hole. Yeah, wheels are loose. Whoa! Back up just a little bit. Right? Yeah.
You're good. Freaking did it, guys. We got one I-beam in. Blake's about to do his first weld. Do you need me to hold it? That was one of the most stressful things I've ever done in my life. The I-beam sat in so nice, perfect. We go to let it down and I think we just questioned ourselves a little bit. So here's this nice pole that we installed with no hole, and
That's got a hole.
yeah.
Some holes just ain't deep as ours.
Yeah, like me, you know? And we got a couple braces on it so we get the other ones up. I was shaking like a leaf, but we got it up. We're about to do another one. Here we go. Big Blue. How tight was your ass on that?
You couldn't drive a needle in it with a sledgehammer.
Sure what this one's gonna do.
What do you mean? You were saying it's gonna just what happens happens.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh my god.
The other one we were gonna set it down.
We got Katie here now.
3 lesbians in the club.
Let's get a selfie, guys.
Hold on, baby.
It's so sketchy.
It's close though, huh?
You need me to pull it?
You ain't gonna pull it with these all up
Here, let us. We're setting purlins and there's literally one rain cloud above us. See how everything's all pretty over there? And look above us. What the hell? Look at that. Right above us. We're making so much progress. Fro, Brittany, and Blake's dad got the awning down, and we're just leaving that tin on there so we can get the next couple purlins on, and then all of that will be coming off. And then we have one more I-beam to set, and then the rest of the purlings, and then the roof. Lola loves to help so much, and she's had to be inside because we're doing like dangerous stuff and I can't watch her, but she's so excited right now. She's helping. Little Lola just got to be right in the middle of it. She can't stand to be inside by herself. Look at her. Woo! Working hard. Smooth operator over here, Big Blue. Took my job.
Low hours, baby, low hours.
Woo!
First his brother, new guy's gonna be here.
He's coming here? Oh, I was like, now nothing is gonna get done. You guys, I'm literally up here having the best time of my life. Blake just is letting me weld all the purlins, and he's doing other stuff. I don't really know what he's doing, but what? Yes, I am fired up, y'all. I'm having so much fun. I got all these done over here, and these, and we still have some to set over there. But yeah, it's going good. I think he's I don't know what he's doing. Something on the skid steer down there. But I'm having so much fun. They're taking the truss down from our awning. I've been welding. We're moving along today. And once all of that is welded, I guess we set our poles for the new awning. We need to get a level off of this building and cut the tops of those off so that we can set the truss for that and then get the purlins there and then repeat the process.
Cheese.
It's been the longest 5 days ever, work-wise, but we're setting our last pole, and tomorrow, if it doesn't rain, we can start on 10. If it's raining, I'm gonna go get my hair done, rightfully so. But yeah, I'm about to order some Chipotle, and we are gonna sit on our butts and watch some TV. I think it's like, I don't know, I'm guessing 7:38. We've been working till about 9:30 every night. We started this project total days 10 days ago, but I think we probably worked on it. What do you think, Blake? 6 days, 7 days? That's like setting the blocks and dirt work and everything. So yeah, I think we're doing really good. We'll have roof tin on, so that's really exciting. And then once this roof is done, we're gonna take the existing like barn that's under there completely down, and we'll get that, and then we just have to do the roof, what is it called? The awning purlins and metal, because we're using those purlins on the existing building for the awning purlins. So yeah.